Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind your favorite beauty products. If you're struggling with thinning hair or looking for a way to boost your hair's density, you've probably heard about Nioxin. Today, we're diving into the Nioxin Scalp Hair Thickening System Kit, a popular solution for those dealing with thinning hair, especially if you have natural, colored, or damaged hair. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a new review. Let's get started. The Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System Kit is designed to address one of the most common hair concerns: thinning. This system is specifically formulated for people with light to progressed thinning and works to nourish the hair root while boosting density and strengthening hair. It includes a powerful combination of ingredients, including niacinamide and biotin, which are known for their hair-nourishing properties. These ingredients are formulated to stimulate the scalp and support healthier, thicker-looking hair. Now, let's talk about how this product actually performs. The kit comes with a cream-based treatment that's easy to apply to your scalp. Personally, I found it easy to incorporate into my routine. Just massage it into damp hair after washing and leave it on for a bit before styling. The texture is lightweight, and although it doesn't have a noticeable scent, that's actually a plus for those who are sensitive to fragrances. But how did it actually feel on my hair? Well, the cream didn't weigh down my hair, and it absorbed quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is a huge win for me. The most noticeable difference came after consistent use over several weeks. My hair felt stronger and looked fuller, with visibly reduced thinning in certain areas. I really appreciated the added thickness and overall density, especially when styling my hair. That said, it wasn't an overnight miracle. Like with any hair treatment, consistency is key. I did notice a difference after about 3 weeks of regular use, which means it's not an instant fix, but it's certainly a gradual improvement. That's something to keep in mind if you're expecting quick results. In terms of pros, the biggest strength is definitely the performance. This kit does exactly what it promises. It nourishes, strengthens, and boosts hair density over time. The formula is easy to apply and doesn't leave your hair feeling heavy or greasy. Plus, it's great for anyone with natural, colored, or damaged hair. As for the cons, while it's effective, it's also a bit of an investment, especially if you're buying the 3-month supply all at once. And as I mentioned, the results take time. If you're someone looking for instant gratification, this may not be the best product for you. Now, in terms of value for money, let's break it down. The Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System is on the pricier side, but given the fact that it's a 3-month supply and designed for long-term use, I'd say it's a reasonable investment for anyone serious about tackling thinning hair. The niacinamide and biotin are quality ingredients, so you're definitely getting value in terms of the formulation. As for product alternatives, there are some more affordable options out there if you're on a budget. For example, brands like Thickening or Viviscal also offer thickening systems that could give you similar results without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for a system that's specifically formulated for thinning hair and that targets the scalp with a clinically proven formula, Nioxin is a solid choice. Regarding the build quality, the packaging of the Nioxin kit is sleek and functional. It's designed to minimize waste, with each product in the kit packaged in easy-to-use bottles. I found the dispensing systems convenient for controlled application, and the whole kit feels professional and well thought out. So, is this system worth it? Yes, if you're looking for a solution that delivers gradual, long-term results. It's best for people with thinning hair who are ready to invest in something that works over time. If you're looking for instant thickness or more dramatic changes overnight, this might not be for you. But if you're in it for the long haul and want healthier, fuller hair, then Nioxin could be a great fit. If this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.